Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video most beautiful and stylish. You will see in this video stylish unique girls pop with bangs, haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas in 2023. Dear before you will see already outstanding beautiful girls pop with bangs, haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So dear viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collections of my channel. I have uploaded very outstanding girls pop haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So if you are a college girls or a business girls, this setup is look very great and very beautiful for you guys. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Most beautiful and stylish, you will see very outstanding 40 plus all modern front, back and sided pose, modern haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So guys, I must suggest you just keep on watching this videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections. So viewers, do you have new ideas of new already stylish unique pop haircuts designs? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. In the comment section to tell me how was my video. So I always try to bring beautiful pop haircuts ideas. So I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Very beautiful and stylish. You will see all modern and outstanding beautiful bob haircuts ideas. So I hope you like my videos, friends. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring unique girls pop haircuts ideas. So thank you so much guys for visiting my YouTube channel. So before you will see all very outstanding beautiful girls pop haircuts ideas. So lovely viewers, I will meet you in next video. So take care, friends.